So, hello English learners. Today is day 42, and today, from the last class, we are learning about some conversations like Q&A type of questions, talking with your friends, talking with your family, and talking about the food. So, all these things we are learning from the last class. And this is also the Q&A of part 2. Okay, so today now we are going to start from the about friends. Okay, so let's see about friends how many questions we can ask about the friends. Okay, so suppose someone is asking, who is your friend? Who is your best friend? तुम्हारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? ठीक है, who is your best friend? Yes, this is a question about friends. Someone is asking, who is your best friend? So you can say, yes, my best friend is Siddharth. My best friend is Rahul. My best friend is Shamim. You can say, just take the name. Okay, it's Trisha. She is Trisha, or Trisha is my best friend. So, who is your best friend? You can say, it's Siddharth. It's Siddharth. Okay, or you can say it's Rahul. It's Rahul, or she is Shavya. She is Sheila. Okay, so all these names you can just say, who is your best friend? Okay, who is your best friend? Uh, uh, Siddharth is my best friend. My best friend is Siddharth. Both are correct. You can say like this. Okay. So I hope you understand. If someone is going to ask you about your friend, so you are going to give the answer. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Mithlesh. Mithlesh is my best friend. Okay. So I hope you understand it. And now second question, which is, what does she look like? What does she look like? Okay, what does she look like? वो कैसी दिखती है? What does she look like? वो कैसी दिखती है? किसी ने बोला, तुमने बोला कि my friend is Rahul. What does he look like? वो कैसा दिखता है? कैसा है वो? So मैं बोलूंगा, what does she look like? वो कैसी दिखती है? मैं बोलूंगा, she is intelligent. She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent. I just love her lovely smile. Anything you can mention. She is very intelligent. I just love her to talk, and she is giving the answer of every question if you are going to ask. Okay, so these are some additional words which you can mention about your friend. Okay, so I hope, what does she look like? वो कैसी दिखती है? वो कैसा दिखता है? What does he look like? And he is very intelligent. He is very good looking. And if I am going to, he always help me. वो हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है. ठीक है? So we can ask questions like this. How and when did you meet? कब और कैसे तुम मिले? How and when did you meet? Okay, this is the third question. How and when did you meet? कब, हाउ कैसे, और कब तुम उससे मिले. ठीक है, सो यू कैन मेंशन, आई मेट हर फर्स्ट टाइम वी वर इन कॉलेज. सो आई मेट, मैं बोलूंगा आई मेट with him in my company. Okay, I met with him in my company. मैं उससे अपनी कंपनी में मिला. I met with him in my company. I met with him in college. I met with him in my friend's home. Anything you can mention. Okay. How and when did you meet? तुम उससे कब और कहाँ मिले? I met him in college because we are college friend. Okay, I hope you understand about this question. If someone is going to ask you this question, you are going to give the proper answer. Okay, and second is how often do you see your friend? Okay, so let me erase it, and we completed this. How and when did you meet? ये हो गया हमारा. How often do you see your friend? How often did you see your friend? How often did you see? No, do you see? ठीक है. How often do you see? How often do you see your friend? तुम कितनी बार मतलब देखते हो? How often? How often? हाँ. Do you see your friend? तुम कितनी बार अपने दोस्त को देखते हो? ठीक है. I see her every day. I see how every day. मैं उसे हर दिन देखता हूं. ठीक है. Now comma, and we are in the same company. I see how every day because we are in the same company and under the same TL. So you can mention like this. Or if she is your college friend, so you can say I see how every day because we are in a same college, in a same class. So you can mention like this. Okay. And next question, which is 3, 4, 5th question, which is do you and her share everything in common? Do you and her share anything in common? क्या तुम और वो उसके बीच में कोई ऐसी चीज है जो कॉमन मतलब है? एनीथिंग कॉमन, इन कॉमन. डू यू एंड हर शेयर एनीथिंग इन कॉमन? शेयर करते हैं कोई चीज कॉमन. ठीक है. Yes, a lot. We both love reading books and helping others. Do you and her share anything in common? Yes, a lot. Yes, बहुत सारी चीजें हम एक शेयर करते हैं. ठीक है. सेम कॉमन है हमारे बीच में, कुछ चीजें हमारे बीच में कॉमन है. यस, अ लॉट. बहुत सारी चीजें कॉमन है. ठीक है. वी बोथ लव रीडिंग बुक्स एंड हेल्पिंग अदर्स. हम दोनों को बुक पढ़ना और दूसरों की हेल्प करना बहुत पसंद है. ठीक है. सो यस, अ लॉट. वी बोथ लव रीडिंग बुक्स एंड helping others. ठीक है. And 6th question, which is what do you and how do together? What do you and how do together? तुम और वो एक साथ क्या चीज करते हो? क्या क्या काम करते हो? ठीक है. So we usually do homework and read books together. what do you and do you what do you and how do together? What do you and how do together? Yes. So आप और वो एक साथ क्या करते हो? Yes, we do a lot of things together. We usually do homework and read books together. So you can give the answer like this. Okay, 7th 19th questions है हमारे पास. ठीक है. Have you ever quarreled? Have you ever quarreled? 7. Have you ever quarreled? QUARRELED. ठीक है, quarrel. क्या तुम लोग कभी हैव यू एवर quarreled? क्या आप लोग कभी लड़े हो, आपस में लड़े हो? यस यस मतलब लड़े हैं. बट वी सेल्डम quarrel. लेकिन हम कभी कभार ही लड़ते हैं. वी सेल्डम quarrel. ओके. So if someone is going to ask this question like have you ever quarreled? क्या आप लोग कभी लड़े हो? Yes, we seldom quarrel. हम कभी कभी लड़ते हैं. But when we do argue, जब हम लोग argue करते हैं, afterwards we seem to understand some more about each other. Okay, उसने क्या बोला कि yes we seldom quarrel. Yes, हम कभी कभार लड़ते हैं. When we do argue, जब हम लोग argue करते हैं, afterwards उसके बाद we seem to understand more about each other. तो उसके बाद हम लोग एक दूसरे को और अच्छे से समझते हैं. ठीक है. Does she know how to cook food? If you have tell like she is my best friend. This is a girl. This question will come like does she know how to cook? Yes, she is a great cook. Yes, वो एक अच्छी कुक है. ठीक है, वो खाना बनाती है. Yes, she is a great cook. And now, do your parents like her? Do your parents like her? क्या तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स उसे पसंद करते हैं? Yes, a lot. Yes, हमारे पेरेंट्स उसे पसंद करते हैं. ठीक है. Yes, a lot. So I hope you are able to understand what we are reading. Do your parents like her? Yes, a lot. They always ask for Tisha to come over dinner. वो लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं उसे डिनर पे आने के लिए. ठीक है. Why is a friend important in life? Why is a friend important in life? So a good friend can make your life better. A good friend is important or necessary in our life because he can make our life better. So a good friend can make your life better in many ways. I don't think anyone can live loneliness. I don't think, मुझे नहीं लगता है anyone can live loneliness कि कोई अकेला रह सकता है. ठीक है. So I hope you understand about it. About food. So now we learn about the friend. Let's start about food. Okay, so we are going to ask some questions and we are going to give the answer about food. What is your favorite food? So in food, if we are going to talk, so first question which people are going to ask you, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. My favorite food is chicken korma. My favorite food is, you can say anything, but you love momos, samosa, anything. No, food. If you have to tell about the food, so you have to just tell the name of foods. Okay, so what is your favorite food? About food, someone is asking, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. Biryani is my favorite food. Okay, what do you easily eat for breakfast? What do you easily eat for breakfast? तुम ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाते हो? फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट आई यूजली ईट fruits. Okay, salad. For breakfast I have fruits salad, so we have to say salad. Okay, salad. And the second question, do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Yes, definitely. For a healthy life, breakfast is most important. Yes. So do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Yes, definitely. For a healthy life, I think breakfast is so important. Do you like trying new foods? Do you like trying new food? क्या तुम्हें नए नए खाने ट्राई करना पसंद है? Yes, I am. Yes, I am fond of it. ठीक है, मैं शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of it. So found, F-O-U-N-D, fond of means शौकीन. मैं शौकीन हूँ. Do you like trying new foods? Yes, I am fond of it. मैं शौकीन हूँ. Okay, and next question, which is, do you have any food allergies? Do you have any food allergies? क्या तुम्हें कोई फूड एलर्जी है? No, I don't have. No, I don't have. नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है. Do you ever ordered delivery food? Do you ever order delivery food? क्या तुम कभी डिलीवरी फूड ऑर्डर किया है तुमने या करते हो? Do you ever ordered delivery food? क्या तुमने कभी डिलीवरी फूड ऑर्डर किया है? Yes, I do. Yeah, often. कभी कभार. When I am alone at home, yes, because if I am alone, I am not going to cook food, so just I have to order from the delivery food. Okay, so yes, we learn all these questions. How often do you eat fast food? How often, कब या कितनी बार? How often do you eat fast food? तुम कितनी बार फास्ट फूड खाते हो या कैसे फास्ट फूड खाते हो? सो फास्ट फूड क्या होता है? आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव टू टेल यू ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट फास्ट फूड. मोमोज, पिज्जा, बर्गर, all these foods are called fast food. Okay, so he is not good for my health. How often do you eat fast food? I don't eat because it is not good for my health, so I already have fast food. So I rarely have fast food. So मैं बहुत ही rarely, मतलब बहुत ही कम. ठीक है, I rarely have fast food. मैं बहुत ही कम खाता हूँ. How often do you eat fruits? तुम कितना खाते हो? ठीक है, I eat fruits every day. मैं डेली फ्रूट खाता हूँ. Are you strict about your meal? Are you strict about your meal time, or are you more flexible? So यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन है, are you strict about your meal timing or are you more flexible? क्या तुम अपने मील का जो टाइम है, खाना खाने का टाइम है, उसको लेके स्ट्रिक्ट हो या फ्लेक्सिबल हो? ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू टेल अबाउट इट. So our question is, are you strict about your meal time or are you flexible? Mostly I am strict. मैं strict हूँ. Mostly ज्यादातर मैं strict हूँ, because if I have decided to do breakfast in the morning at 8 a.m. I'm going to do it. If I have decided to eat my lunch at 1 p.m. I have to do it. If I have decided to take my dinner at 8 or 9, I have decided. So I am strict with my time. Okay, mostly I am strict. And what food do you hate? Okay, so you have to tell what. So you have to tell what food do you hate. तुम्हें कौन से खाने से नफरत है, तुम कौन सा खाना नापसंद करते हो. So I hate oily and spicy food. Yes. So all these questions are related to food. How to talk about your favorite? Okay, how to talk about our favorite? अगर हमें फेवरेट के बारे में बात करना है कि कोई चीज हमारी फेवरेट है, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने अभी खाने के बारे में बात किया, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव टू से अबाउट योर फेवरेट थिंग, ठीक है. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक, हाउ टू टॉक अबाउट योर फेवरेट थिंग, लाइक विच, कौन सा नॉन लिविंग थिंग के लिए, विच इज योर फेवरेट फोन, विच इज योर फेवरेट कलर, विच इज योर फेवरेट movie, which is your favorite. Okay, so if you have to ask about your favorite, so you can ask like which, okay, which is your favorite which is your favorite food. So which हम यूज करेंगे, which, कौन सा, इसका मीनिंग है कौन सा, सिंपल हमने पढ़ा है. which means कौन सा, but for non living thing. Yes, make sure for non living thing. And who for living thing, who कौन सा for living thing, ठीक है. who कौन सा for living thing, who is your favorite leader. So these two questions, now we can ask about our favorite thing with the help of these two questions. Suppose आपको बोलना है विच इज योर फेवरेट फोन, तुम्हारा फेवरेट फोन कौन सा है. फोन हमारे पास नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग को पूछने के लिए आप यूज करोगे विच इज योर फेवरेट. यहां पे हमें यूज करना है बस विच इज योर फेवरेट कलर, विच इज योर फेवरेट कलर, विच इज योर फेवरेट सिटी, विच इज योर फेवरेट स्टेट. सो सब हमने यूज किया, विच यूज किया और हम यहां पे लगा दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग. सो यू कैन आस्क टू एनीवन लाइक विच इज योर फेवरेट सिटी, विच इज योर फेवरेट मेमोरी, विच इज योर फेवरेट बिल्डिंग. ओके, एंड हु मीन्स कौन सा, विच मीन्स कौन सा फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग, एंड हु मीन्स हु मीन्स कौन फॉर लिविंग थिंग. सो यहां पे अगर आपको यूज करना है हु इज योर फेवरेट लीडर, ठीक है. लीडर क्यों, क्योंकि हमें लिविंग थिंग के लिए हम हु यूज करेंगे. हु इज योर फेवरेट लीडर, ओके. एंड हु इज योर फेवरेट टीचर, हु इज योर फेवरेट फ्रेंड, ठीक है. हु इज योर फेवरेट फ्रेंड, हु इज योर फेवरेट सीएम, who is your favorite author, who is your favorite YouTuber, who is your favorite content creator, So I hope you understand how we are going to ask questions, which which simply means कौन, which कौन सा, नॉन लिविंग थिंग के लिए, who कौन, लिविंग थिंग के लिए. And you can ask lots of questions. Okay, so now I have done, and today we learn about the food, how we are going to ask the questions about the food, and how we are going to ask the questions about the friends. Okay, so I think you got knowledge, and we have done this. Okay, and now we will start the part third. So thanks for today.